Welcome back to BHM Garage, where today we're going to put the C notches in and shocks. That's what we're doing in this episode. So stay tuned and we'll get started here shortly. Alright, so as you can see, I have the axle all the way up as far as it'll go. I still have to cut the bump stops off. I did make a template of the C notch so I can make sure that it is correct and centered, so when we put it up, it'll be correct. So let's get started and I'll start measuring. Alright, so I got the bump stop removed, all the everything, so alright, as you can see, the bump stop has been removed on the driver's side. Still have the passenger, we just haven't got there over there yet, so we're just starting over here because it's in the shade somewhat. So let's make sure our measurements are correct, know that the bump stop is out of our way, and we'll get cutting. Alright, so we're all prepped, everything's marked. Let's get this cut out so we can get this side done. One thing I didn't check, what's on the other side? Like this side, I am good. Just some wires. Alright, let's put these out of the way. Alright, so here's an update. I have removed the original bump stop and I went ahead and started marking for where the C-notch will go. I have to remove the brake line that's on the other side to make sure I don't cut it. Always check what's on the other side before you cut. So once I get that done, I will bring you back for an update. Alright, so update. I got the C-notch in and bolted in, and unfortunately the very front one on both sides, if you can see, that doesn't really match. They had to go down just because of clearance between those two bolts. So it's okay though. Just be mindful when you do this. They line up pretty good. Everything was measured. So let me I'll let you guys watch this, but my phone dies because it's hot outside. So I'll give you an update when I get the next shock in. Alright, so last update. So we have installed the C-notch, the shock lowering bracket, the shocks, tightened everything down. So it's done. Just needs to be do the 500-mile recheck, whenever that is, to when we get to drive it. Alright, so what do I have into it so far? So I bought the truck for $1,200. Then for the flip kit it was $80, so we're at $1,280 from the last video. From this one we have the shocks for at $36 a piece, so that brings us to $1,352. And then for the C-notch kit was $130, and that brings us to a total of $1,482 for the out of the 5,000 that I have allotted for this truck. So not doing too bad just for the rear and the truck. Next video on the truck will be the motor. See if I can get that to turn over and maybe get it started. We'll see. Not sure yet, but we'll see on the next one. Thank you.